What's going on, everybody? This is Josh at Skymount Studios.
My name is Miranda. We're Skymount Studios, and today we are launching our YouTube channel.
We are a professional audio and video production company. We've now been in business for the last 14 years. It started off as a recording studio alone, and now it's a recording studio and video production company. And we've worked on everything from a commercial with Mountain Dew,
To music videos, to weddings.
Revolt TV. We've worked with celebrities such as Rick Ross.
A little bit about me. I'm a professional video editor and cinematographer. One thing that got me into video production that really sold me to it being something that I do for a living now is the storytelling. I love seeing clients' smiles on their faces when their vision has come to life through video.
I had an idea at the time to start this production company. I wanted it to be something that would really change the face of the audio and video industry here in North Carolina, because growing up in North Carolina, there wasn't a lot of big production companies here. Either you had to go to LA or you had to go to New York. And so for me, I felt like, why not bring that quality? Why not bring that production and the professional cinematographers and stuff like that here, where we can now provide that to our local state, and now we've fortunately been able to provide that now on a global scale.
That's what makes this YouTube channel so exciting, is we're going to show you guys so much on how we go in and we take our clients' videos and we are able to get them to the level that they have desired it to always be.
Everything that we were able to do that helped us advance, knowledge that we picked up along the way, we're now going to bring that to you guys and basically be showing you guys everything we know, from how to build your brand, how to get yourself out there, if you have a professional video, how to market it correctly,
and gain more exposure, what style of videos you're trying to do.
So definitely, guys, this channel is going to have a lot of information that we seriously put a lot of thought into, that we feel like is going to tremendously benefit you guys. And so definitely feel free to subscribe to our channel, like the YouTube page, follow us on Instagram. We're basically producing this content for you, so stay tuned.